Owen and Isla. These guys are going to do some work on the trees at Nan and Grandpa's house. Got a big bucket truck, and they're going to put cables in to help protect the trees, and then they're going to trim them out a little. Here he goes, going up in the bucket truck.
He's steering it.
Way up.
He's got controls up there.
Look how high that guy is. I asked them if they're afraid of heights, and they said they're not scared at all. So he's trimming off the low branches now. Much nicer. He's getting rid of all the dead stuff. It's going to look much nicer when they're done.
Oh, it's so nice to have them.
Now when they're done with the trimming, they have a little bit more to go, they're going to take these cables up and they're going to cable the trees together so that when the wind blows, the leaning trees won't tip over or damage anything. And they have to go 2/3 of the way up to cable them near the top so there's less strain on the cables. He's doing a little more trimming of dead stuff on the inside, all by hand. He's getting way up near the top on this one. Getting ready to put the cables in. He's been putting a lot of the cables in now. Getting ready to come down. A lot more open. House really looks nice. These guys are doing a great job. Attaching the cables. So all done with the cables now. And then soon we'll be grinding up all the branches, and we'll use those to make chips for the trails.
But did some have to come off there?
Yeah, I think he's going to take 2 more.
Maybe he moved them.
Here's the way to cut off the low branches without having to use the bucket. The guys are working together so that one of them will stabilize the branch while the other one cuts it. You guys are doing a great job. Almost done. Clipping off the last little bit, and then we'll be grinding up the branches.
I mean, they're not.
Now they're going to get ready and chip. The chips, so we'll have some chips for our trail. Did an outstanding job. Nice work by Bartlett. He did a great job. Thanks, Bartlett. You guys are the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
There goes some really good workers.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bartlett.
Yes.
Okay, great. Mama's happy. Everybody's happy.
Can you see the cable car?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
No, I don't see it.
It's way up high.